Hello everyone, welcome to yourfaculty.com. Today we are going to deal with problems on ratio and proportion. And this is our website www.yourfaculty.com. You can practice tests there, and you can also visit our Facebook page Your Faculty. Let's look at the questions. Here's our first question. The salaries of A, B and C are in the ratio of 2:3:5. If the increments of 15%, 10%, 20% are allowed respectively in their salaries, then what will be the new ratio of their salaries? So what are the key things here? The first statement is the ratio of the salaries are 2:3:5. So moment it is given in ratios, all that we have to start off with, A's salary is equal to 2x, B's salary is equal to 3x, and C's salary is equal to 5x. Okay, so they are saying that they are being given increments of 15%, 10% and 20%. We know from our percentage videos, if a 15% increment is given, increase by 15%, we need to multiply that component by 1.15. So what will be A's new salary? I'll put it as A1 salary, which is new salary, right? Or AN. AN's salary is A's new salary is 2x into 1.15. And what is B's new salary? 3x into 1.10, 10%. And what is C's new salary? I missed x here. 5x into 1.220, whatever. What do we do now? All that we have to do is just multiply. So 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 1s are 2, 3. And I'm putting the decimal symbol here, 0. 2 1s are 2. 2.3x. And what is BN's value? 11 into 3, 33, 3.3x. And what is C's new value? 12 5s are 60, 6.0x. So from this, what do you see here? What are the ratios? The ratios of the new salary ratios are 2.3x is to 3.3x is to 6x. And to simplify and to match it with the answers over here, we are just cancelling x and we just look at the answers now. When you look at the answers, 3:3:10, it is not possible here. 10:11:20 is not possible, right? 23:33:60, is it possible? Does it resemble like that? Yes. Just multiply 10 across. You will get 23:33:60. And that's the answer for you. Moving on to next question. If 782 has to be divided into 3 parts, the proportion of 1:2, 2:3 and 3:4. So how are the proportions now? 2 and 3:4. If the ratios are given in this format, the first step that you have to do is make denominator same across. And how do you do it? We just need to do LCM of 4, 3 and 2. And it's what? It's 12. So we just multiply 6 over here. So 6 by 12 is to, we multiply 4 over here. 8 by 12 is to 3 by 4. We multiply by 3 and you get 9 by 12. So denominators are all same here. So the new ratio is basically what? 6:8:9. And now what is the answer? The question is 782 is divided into these parts now, right? And what is the first part? How do we arrive at the first part? We multiply 782 into, first part is what? 6. 6 by, what is the total number of parts? Total number of parts is 6 plus 8 plus 9. And what is it? 6 plus 8 plus 9? Which is 6 plus 8 plus 9. So we just need to write it like this. Very simple. So 782 into 6 by 23. And there you get the answer. It's 204. And that's this. Let's move on to the next question. Two numbers on the ratio of 1:2. If 7 is added to both, the ratio changes to 3:5. So what are the two numbers now? How do we represent it? As soon as they are given in this format, we just need to represent as 1x and 2x, right? And what are they saying? You are adding 7 to both of them. So can I start representing it and it becomes 3:5. So let me start representing it as ratios. So x by 2x is the ratio we know, and we are adding 7 to both. So what do we get? We get 3 by 5, right? Their new ratio is 3 by 5. And what do we do now? We just need to solve this and you get the answer. So how do you solve this? 5x plus 35 is equal to 6x plus 21, right? We bring x into one side and constants on the other side. So what do we get? X is equal to 14, right? So 6x minus 5x is equal to x, and 35 minus 21 is equal to 14. So what is the greatest number? Just in case there is 14 out here, please don't tick it. The answer is wrong. What you have to do now is, the question they are asking for the greatest number, and what you have got now is x. And what are the two numbers? X and 2x, right? So 2x being the greatest number, what is the value of x? 14. So the greatest number is 14 2s are 28. Hope you understood this question. Very simple one. We are now moving on to the next question. In a bag, there are coins of 25 paise, 100 paise and 5 paise. For non-Indians who may not understand what paise is, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Just like $1 is equal to 100 cents. Yeah, it's exactly like that. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So there are 25 paise, 10 paise and 5 paise in the ratio of 1:2:3. If there are rupees 30 in all, how many 5 paise coins are there? Right? So we are just going to apply the whole concept over here. It's very simple now. You need to assume that the ratio into these values is equal to 30. That's it, right? So let's put it like this. So let's assume that number of 25 paise coins is equal to 1x. Number of 10 paise coins is equal to 2x. Number of 5 paise coins is equal to 3x. I've just taken these values and put this variable x over it, right? Now, what is that they are saying now? They are saying the value, the total value that of all the coins in the bag is 30. So how do we do it? If we sum all this, we will not get it. This value in itself has no money value in it. So how does it get a money value? By multiplying with, there are so many 25 paise coins is the meaning. So we put 25 paise coins. This is not a variable, please note. 25 paise into x plus 10 paise into 2x plus 5 paise into 3x is equal to what? 30. Now the key here is either we need to convert 30 into paise or 25 into rupees. So whichever you think is comfortable. So the easiest step that we can adopt over here is converting this 25 paise into rupee. So how do we convert that? 25 by 100x plus 10 by 100 into 2x plus 5 by 100 into 3x is equal to 30. And what do we get? 25 plus 20, 45, 45 plus 15, 60. 60x by 100 is equal to 30. Right? So what do we get x as? X is equal to 50. And what is the question now? Find the number of 5 paise coins. And what is 5 paise coins? It is 3x. And what is 3x? 3 into 50. And hence the answer is 150. Now we need to find 3x. 3x is equal to 3 into 50 is equal to 150. Hope you understood, because 3 is basically the proportion, the value 3 here denotes 5 paise. Okay, moving on. Salaries of Ravi and Sumit are in the ratio of 2:3. The salary of each is increased by 4,000. The ratio becomes 40:57. What is Sumit's present salary? It's a very straightforward question. I think it's very easy for you if you are closely watch how we have done the earlier problem. I'll just quickly start writing it. 2x plus 4,000 by 3x plus 4,000 is equal to 40 by 57. How did I do that? We know that the ratios are 2x and 3x. And 3x, the values are 2x and 3x, the salaries are 2x and 3x. And they are saying the ratio becomes 40:57 when you add 4,000 to both their salaries. So 2x plus 4,000 by 3x plus 4,000 is equal to 40 by 57. And what do we do now? We just need to cross multiply and solve this, and you get 3x is equal to, so what do we do now? 57 into 2x plus 4,000 is equal to 40 into 3x plus 4,000. Okay, and now we multiply the whole stuff and you get 6x is equal to 68,000. So I would suggest that you solve this, and I think you might get a value something like 38,000. You try to solve the whole thing, and they're asking for Sumit's present salary, right? So you need to find out 3x. What's the value of 3x? So that's the salary. I think the answer is none of these. Moving on to next question. A and B together have 1210. If 4 by 5 15 of A's amount is equal to 2 by 5 of B's amount, how much does B have? Okay. So what is the statement? The statement is straight. 4 by 15 of A is equal to 2 by 5 of B. Very simple. And what does this mean? This means A by B is equal to 2 by 5 into 15 by 4. So A is to B is equal to what? 3:2. And now we know how much does B have. So B's share is equal to what? B share is 2 by 5, which is basically 2 from this. And we add 3 plus 2, total share is 5. Out of that 2 is B's share into 1210. And you get the answer as 484. Yes, the answer 5. Hope you understood this. You can also subscribe to our videos in YouTube, Your Faculty channel, in Facebook and LinkedIn, Twitter. Thanks for watching the video. Catch up with you soon. Bye.